Welcome to our mini vlog. My name is Cha.
Nika.
Zel. Today, we're diving into how we communicate not just through words, but also through actions, expressions, and even emojis.
Communication isn't always about what we say. Sometimes it's how we say it or how we show it. That's where verbal and non-verbal communication come in.
But here's the twist. We're turning this into a fun challenge. I'll be sending them emojis and my partners will try to guess what message I'm trying to communicate. Will they get it right or totally miss the meaning? Let's find out and see how powerful and confusing emojis can be in communication. So ito na nga, mag-start na tayo. My first emoji is, ito.
Smiling.
1.4 Glycel. Ito, next. Ito.
Wink.
Ang bagal ni Glycel.
Akala ko yung isa yung inaano.
Ito, next.
Tongue out.
2
Akala ko
over
tongue
1. 2 over 1, okay. Ito.
Kiss.
Wala!
Akala ko put.
Hindi, mali. Ito.
Annoyed.
Attitude.
Wala, talo ka. Siya ang panalo. 3 over 2. Okay, ikaw naman next yung papahuli.
My turn.
Thinking!
Got it. Ito, alam na alam nyo to. Madali lang to.
Shut up.
Sabi ko,
Pwede siya to.
Okay. Ikaw panalo.
Ito.
Angry!
Girl. Tapos ito.
Ay, alam ko eh. Picking face!
Ano?
Wala, talo ka na.
Tama siya,
Picking
tama
face
siya,
na yung
tama
sabi ko. Ay, ikaw.
Ito,
Next.
ang pinakamadali sa lahat.
Zipper.
Correct.
Okay lang.
Nahulaan nila.
Sa akin, ito una.
Ay! Silly face!
Tama, ay siya na una.
Ako nauna ka na. Okay.
Ito.
Sleepy!
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Ito.
Sad face!
Ito. Lagi niyo itong inaano.
Shock face.
Shock. Pag may nalaman chika. Chares!
Ito mukha ko lagi.
Ano yun? Hindi siya attitude.
Mad.
No.
Angry.
Attitude.
No. Parang ano?
Fake friend. Hindi. Ano? Ano patingin ulit? Ano yun? Hirap.
Ginagamit, parang yung siyang kind of hirap, ginagamit niyo siya pag naiinis kayo sa kanya.
Irritation. Irritate. Ano
Yun? Ano emoji yan?
An amused face.
Oo. Tama ka.
Ayun na yung nasa dulo ng dila ko.
Tingin. So, ayun na nga, guys. Nakita nyo naman.
So far, nasagot naman namin lahat. Nasagot nila yung mga binigay namin
emojis.
Emojis. Yeah.
And that's it for our mini vlog. As you've seen, communication isn't always as simple as it looks. Whether it's verbal or non-verbal, like using emojis, message can be clear or sometimes totally misunderstood.
This activity showed us how important it is to understand not just words, but also expressions, symbol, and context when communicating. Did my partner guess the emojis right? Or were there some funny misunderstanding? You decide.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy our fun twist on communication. Don't forget, sometimes a simple emoji can say a lot more than words.
See you in our next mini vlog. Bye-bye!
Do siya.